Okay guys, I'm going to do a quick little video to show you how to get started. Okay, so I'm going to go through lesson 1.1. So remember to download your files, your student files from page 5 of the book. After you do that, you're going to get a compressed file. You're going to uncompress it and it gives you a folder under your downloads folder. You can move it to your desktop like I did, and this folder will have all the files that you need to complete your labs and projects. Okay, you'll go through Unit 1. You'll read about Unit 1. It's going to be very, very basic information. Then what you'll want to do is you'll want to go through the review questions. It remembers everything that you've done. So here I did some review questions, and it's telling me that I need to select more answers. So I'm going to click on, I'm running out of battery. Okay, so I can click on, I can check my answer, and it says select more answers, and then I can go to the next question. Which of the following is a great environment for prototyping Swift code? Playground, yay. Okay, and then I'm going to go all the way to the end, and then once I finish, it tells me how many I got correct. I don't need to see that you did this. This is for your own benefit. This is going to be part of your exam, your midterm. So you can just go back and study these. It remembers all your answers. Okay, after you do that, notice at the top it says lab. Right up here, introduction to playgrounds. You're going to click on the blue button, blue folder. 1, getting started, is Unit 1. Unit 2, Unit 3, Unit 3, Unit 4, Unit 5, Unit 6. We're working on Unit 1, and we're doing Lab 1. Here's Lab 2, 3, 4, and 6. There's not a Lab 5. So I'm going to click on 1, click on Lab, and this file here is a playground file, and it's going to open Xcode. Those of you that are Mac users will notice that I'm running Sierra operating system, and I'm actually running Xcode 9.2. Let me just close that. So when I double click on this file, what it does is it opens my lab, Introduction to Playgrounds, and it opens it on my Xcode application, which I already opened and I was playing with earlier. And so I have completed it. But when you open it, you're going to see, so let's say we close it. Okay, I'm going to open it again. It also saves what you've done. Okay, so this is what you're going to see when you open it. And so here at the top, it actually has some instructions, and I'm not able to get up there right now. I have a really slow machine here. Okay, so at the top, it just tells you, okay, this is the way that we output to the screen using the print statement, is what you read earlier. And then the lab is just telling you to fill in these lines. So it's going to ask you, now print your own phrase to the console. So you'll type print, and then it says to pick your favorite song. So I'll type in my favorite song, and whatever and when I type in my favorite song, there we go. Notice when I clicked on it, here on the left-hand side and at the bottom of the screen, it has the output whatever. If for some reason you don't see that, you can click the play button, and the play button will run all the print statements, everything that you have on your screen. So here it says use multiple print functions to write out some of the lyrics of the song. So you would then use print, and then line 1, and then print, line 2. Okay, and then as you do that, it will show you, when I run it, it shows you here at the bottom what you have. It shows you the output. So this is your output window. Here on the left-hand side, it tells you exactly what you are doing. Okay, so basically it's saying it's going to show the string whatever, and then it's going to give you a new line. It's going to show ... and a new line. It's going to show line 2 and a new line. And then what you want to do is you want to take a screenshot. When you finish the lab, take a screenshot of the lab, and that is what you upload for this particular lab. Some of them you upload a document, some of them you will upload a screenshot of the lab. Okay. Now if I just close my window, so I get out and I go back to this document, notice that it keeps all my information. So everything I typed is there. It takes a few seconds, if you notice, and then it shows the output here at the bottom, or if you don't want to wait, you can just click the play button. So this is Playground. The really cool thing about this is that every time you type a line, you get to see what's going on inside. So it's going to be really cool when we start working with variables and calculations. You get to see line by line what's going on. So this is Playground. This is not Xcode. This is not writing apps with Xcode. This is just using Playgrounds on Xcode. Okay, so that's 1.1. Let me see if there's anything else I wanted to show you. Once you finish that, then it goes to lesson 1.2. Okay? I noticed on the course schedule, I think it was this course schedule, and maybe it's on the assignments page for each assignment, I tell you about how long it takes. The book suggests that you take 45 minutes for a lesson and for the lab, but as you can see, like this lab is super simple, and reading about it is super fast. Some of the labs later on will take a little bit longer. Okay guys, hope this was helpful. Send me an email, let me know if it was. I'll be posting more videos that have to do with the lessons, and also maybe go through the labs with you. Okay? Again, email me if you have any questions, if you get stuck, if you have questions about the operating system, or anything of that sort.